Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no video, huh? In this video I am going to unbox these two boxes. One is from Dr. Sheets because it says, but the another one is from Korea. I don't know what is in it. Also guys, I'm planning to make a hair care video because everyone is having hair care problem and I don't have actually. So wait for it. And another thing is that nobody likes to watch my video. I don't know why, but let's see what will happen in near future because I'm planning to stop posting content on YouTube and I will be active on Instagram as comparison to this. So let's see what will happen. So it's opened and the first one is Etude Pore Cleansing Cream, which is literally amazing for my skin type. I have combination skin. And the second product is my dream. I mean the brand is my dream, and it is SPF from XSY. I am loving it, and yeah, I will let you know. Okay, bye.